Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is tomatoes, and we'll be making a tomato and watermelon salad and a tomato basil salad with balsamic dressing. Joining me in our Morris Black studio kitchen is Dr. Jami Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Tony Clark. These recipes sound amazing. Let's get started.
So what we're going to do is we have our ingredients here, and we're going to all cut them all the same size. We'll start with this here.
So that was easy. So you're just using the peel of the cucumber for this recipe.
This is an English cucumber.
Okay.
And the peel is very good.
Are most of the vitamins in the peel of the vegetables?
Yes, it is, and a lot of the fiber, so that helps with digestion.
I love how you're using ingredients that you can find in any local grocery store. I mean, these are easy ingredients to acquire. And that's a beautiful looking tomato. And tomatoes are great for prenatal women.
It's
like
a great superfood for all types of pregnant patients, kids. It's a great source of vitamin C, calcium, vitamin A. You do have to watch the acidity, though, especially with children, if they're not used to the acid in the food.
Can upset their stomach a little bit.
Just a little bit, yes. And there's also pregnant patients,
Right.
especially towards the end of their pregnancy.
So you probably want to wait till the baby's around maybe a year
a
old.
year, yep.
Okay.
Then we have the avocado.
Okay. So you'll slice it up after you remove it from the skin.
Right. It's easier that way.
Okay. So the softer the avocado,
The better.
the better.
Okay, so we're just going to try to cut this again.
Okay.
We want to stay in that same size.
Okay. And the kids will love seeing all these shapes and get excited about creating their mosaic. It's always good to get the kids involved in the kitchen. It gets them eating healthier, excited about their food.
Yeah.
Now we're going to blanch the tomato and take this skin off.
So you just make an X on the bottom. You're going to stick it in boiling water for how long?
30 seconds. Okay, see this?
Oh, yeah.
So there we go.
That's a good trick.
Easy. Anybody can do this.
Absolutely.
Right, and there we go.
And watermelons are definitely in season.
Oh, it's such a great season.
Always, right?
Yep,
I mean, you can always find a good watermelon at the
And I
grocery
think the
store.
children will definitely jump on the watermelon.
And you're just going to make some squares with your watermelon.
So
So these are all very vitamin-rich foods that we're using
now we
today.
have this. And we go.
So you're just alternating
All over.
vegetable and fruit. My kids would love to do this.
Yeah. Practice your colors, shapes.
That's right. That's a great point.
Okay, so there we go. And so put a little in there.
That's it.
Okay. So we put it here. This is going to be a great tomato salad. Put some pepper.
So easy.
So easy. So easy. Tomatoes are a good source of folate, too.
Absolutely. So that's important in pregnancy. It helps to prevent neural tube defects.
And that's very important.
That's very
So
important,
if you can
yeah.
get it right out of a tomato, this salad is perfect.
Exactly.
So here's the shallot.
Okay.
Really thin, I slice it.
Okay.
And here's fennel. Again, real thin is the best way to go.
Oh, yes.
Now we're going to take some
exactly.
mozzarella. And I have some mint. And then we put it over here. Then we put a little olive oil.
Balsamic in there, yeah.
And that pops everything up.
I can't wait to taste these beautiful, fresh-looking dishes. So let's dig in. We'll start with this watermelon salad.
Delicious.
Simple and fresh and delicious.
Right.
All right, let's dig in with this. So good.
And the tomatoes are fresh.